Dito kami sa may Splash Center Angels kasi ano siya, yung sale siya. Tapos, si ate. Hi ka rin ate.
Hi.
Tapos, sale siya. Pero yung lighting nila dito parang ano, parang hindi siya pang artista. Charot. Ayun. Hi! Meron na akong bet. Gusto ko siya. Pero meron ako napili itong white. So, meron ako napili Angels 4. Ayan. Ako pa lang ang nakapili. Sila ate tsaka si Laura. Wala pa silang napili. Pag hindi sila magbili dito, hindi din ako magbili. Lugi. Okay, Laura. What's your problem?
Hi. Your dresses are nice. But big sizes. I'm trying
But
to...
what?
Big sizes.
So?
I'm trying to look for a very small size that will suit me. And very nice, of course. With nice designs. Excellent taste.
So, magbabayad na kami Angels and excited kami kung magkano yung babayaran namin.
Nice one.
Oh. Paakyat na kami ngayon sa second floor Angels. Hindi ko alam kung vlogger ba ako ngayon or photographer.
There we come.
Diba? Masaya siya. We make your day today, sa? Laura, we make your day today.
Sure. You have made my day. Lovely.
Making video, dear. So, come na.
Sure, pharmacy.
So, ito na yung piliin ko, Angels, yung kulay pink. Pero mas gusto ko sana yung, yung cream. Laura, can you help me again?
Which one?
This one.
This one. Size 14. Yeah. Besides you, 16? 16 is a lot.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is
So, gusto ko ito siya, Angels. Mas bet ko ang kulay niya, pero ang problema, halos lahat ng kulay na gusto ko is ganito. I mean, halos lahat ng damit ko is ganito na yung kulay. Oh, mas bet ko to. Ito na lang. I will choose this one, Laura.
which one? The cream?
The cream one. Ate, magbili tayo. Tapos, hati tayo. 32.
Ano?
Yan. Parang ano siya.
Dalawa?
2 for 35. Umupo na ako, Angels, kasi
Very nice shoe, huh?
konti na lang dudugo ng ilong ko sa kaka-English kay Laura.
Yeah, I'm glad. I'm glad only. Collapse.
Dito na kami sa Panda Angels. Kumain muna kami after sa Red Tag. And hindi ko na siya nakunan kasi sobrang gutom na si Laura. Charot, si Laura at tuloy ang pinasinggan. Sobrang gutom na ako. Dami-daming sale dito. Dami nilang Pakita ko sa inyo.
Hey, see this thing. 619.
Yes, ma'am. What can I do for you?
I think it's a set. It has a lot of things in it.
Ito yung mga gusto kong bilhin, Angels. Oh, yung mini chopper. Pero grabe. 179 SR. Tapos yan, oh, juicer. Pwedeng ipadala sa Pinas. Yeah? Kaya tawag ako ni Madam. Yes, Madam. Is there anything I can do for you?
This was the one I bought. Over there, it was 115. But here, see, 149. And this 109 without the second one.
Bibili lang ako ng okra, Angels. Diba tuwang-tuwa si Laura?
Hi!
Again. Always hi! Sale din itong panghugas ng plato. 10 SR na lang. Tapos yung Zonrox, 10 SR na lang din. No, diba? So,
better nice things here.
tag 5 SR lang ito. I love also this one.
Let me see.
Let me see.
Just hold it. I don't want to hold.
No, not let me see. Let me smell. You don't like?
Very nice.
Very nice, huh? How about this
And
one?
you like this one?
I don't like this one, dear.
What's it? I don't want to. Something bad. Hey!
Sabi ko, ayaw ko nung amoy ng isa. Ayaw niya rin amoyin. I cannot open this one.
The white one?
Yeah. You already smell? Finish? Not good?
Yeah.
No, it's good also. It's like
All of this.
it smells like baby lotion, like that.
Am I sleeping?
Mabuang ako dito sa kasama ko.
Wow.
This one, the one you bought with ate?
Yeah. One is 3.75. You don't like caramel?
Yeah.
Why?
Parang lasing ang kausap ko.
Of this lovely yogurt. Is it yogurt?
Siya may free taste siya.
Salty. Something somehow. Not really to my taste though, but it's lovely. You take yourself to.
Yeah, I'll try this one. Ate,
Time I bought some of this.
ito yung mga tikim-tikim Angels.
Where is Ate?
There, oh. Fresh pa yung saluyot nila ngayon, Angels. Oh. Pero hindi ako bibili dahil tomorrow is duty na, so tamad na ako maggulay. Ang gusto ko is okra. Yun, oh, nandun sa kabila. Yan yung available nila na okra, Angels, and hindi ko siya gusto. So, hindi ko yan bilhin. Maghanap ako nung naka-ano siya, supot na. Tapos ito yung talong. And hindi ito masarap na talong, Angels. Grabe kalaki. Hindi kaya. Charot. Meron na silang naka-ano na. Nasugba na to siya. Grilled sweet corn. yung beetroot. Hindi ko pa siya natikman. Ito na lang yung natirang okra nila. Ay, meron pang isa. Pero grabe naman siya kadami. Grabe talaga ang talong nila, Angels. Naisip nyo ba? Naisip ko?
We're going for ice cream.
Punta kami na ice cream. Kasi paborito niya ang ice cream, Angels.
Yay!
Did you understand me?
Ice cream.
So this one. But it's pricey.
This?
Yeah.
Have you eaten some before?
Yeah, it's delicious, but it's pricey.
Yeah.
Look, the small one is $29.95.
It's 59. 1 plus 1.
Aywa. London Dairy, I love it also.
See this? Mini almond.
This one I love.
60.
Yes, and it's already 6 mini ice creams inside.
Yeah, the London Dairy is gonna be nice. What's the price? 16. Would we open? Open from this way?
No, the other one.
They will come and open it for you?
No, no, no. Maybe here. Ah, you don't know how to open. My God.
That's too bad.
That one 12. Quanta.
It's 12?
Yeah.
For 5? It's mini. This Fanta. Fanta means big. No good.
You know,
Yeah,
that's my favorite. That tiramisu.
Dates?
No, the London Dairy. It's sweet and delicious, my dear.
Have you tasted it before?
Yeah. If you want, you can buy this small one.
The London Dairy?
Ay, but there is no tiramisu.
The small one is 8.25. The big one, 16 dollars. Oh, is it coming to us?
Nandiyan na naman yung kanilang shrimp, Angels. Pero hindi ako bumibili na ng shrimp dahil natatakot na ako kumain ng maraming shrimp. Tilapia.
So this one?
Yeah.
The ones in here?
Yeah. You want to buy?
No. I'm just enjoying them. The way they've all clustered at one end.
Wait.
It's really fresh. This is lovely. It is very good for halava sauce, to enjoy your banku or your akule or your let me say eba. Very nice.
Eba?
Or you can use it for your stew. Everything. I think I'm getting this now. I need it.
So how you will smell that one?
This smaller, this bigger. I like this.
Nakauwi na kami, Angels. Dito na ako sa room ko and hindi na ako naka-video nung iba pang mga pangyayari dahil na lowbat ako and naubos na rin yung English ko kay Laura. Pero nag-enjoy ako sa kanya. So yun lang, Angels. Always choose to be happy kahit sobrang sakit na, pagod na, piliin pa rin po natin ang maging masaya. Yan lang po. Thank you. Bye!